Imagine a world where energy is clean, abundant, and accessible to all. Welcome to the future, brought to you by Dr. Eva Light. In the heart of her high-tech laboratory, a world shrouded in mystery and brimming with potential, Dr. Light has been meticulously crafting the future, one innovation at a time. There, in the midst of a technological wonderland, lies her latest creation, a device that promises to redefine our relationship with energy. This marvel of human ingenuity, born from countless hours of determined research and unyielding perseverance, has a single profound purpose: to harness energy in its purest, most sustainable form. Imagine the possibilities: a world no longer shackled by the constraints of fossil fuels, a world where every home, every school, every hospital has access to clean, limitless power. This is the potential impact of Dr. Light's revolutionary device. Dr. Light unveils her revolutionary device, ready to change the world. And so, the dawn of a new era in energy begins. Progress is never without obstacles. A rival scientist challenges Dr. Light's invention. Even in the world of science, competition is fierce and not everyone is eager to accept innovation. A rival scientist steps forward, raising doubts about the efficacy of Dr. Light's device. His skepticism is not unfounded, but it's a hurdle that our protagonist did not anticipate. The rival's challenge is a blend of technical jargon and personal bias. He questions the reliability of the device, its practicality, and even its safety. Yet, as he lays down his skepticism, the scientist also unwittingly fuels Dr. Light's determination. Dr. Light is not one to back down. Her reaction is calm yet resolute. She listens, she absorbs, and then she refutes. Her confidence in her invention is unshakable, her faith in its potential unwavering. She knows the path to progress is littered with challenges, but that doesn't deter her. Instead, it strengthens her resolve. Dr. Light, undeterred, sets out to prove her device's potential. And the moment of truth arrives. Dr. Light prepares to test her device in a controlled environment. The stakes are high, the tension palpable. The air carries a charge, an electric anticipation. As the final preparations are made, there's a collective holding of breath, the world seemingly spinning slower than usual. Dr. Light's assistant, Max, works diligently by her side, the pair a study in focused determination. Their every move is precise, each decision calculated. The device, a marvel of invention, sits at the heart of the test site, waiting to spring to life. The countdown begins. The seconds tick away as the world watches, waiting, hoping, and then, the moment everyone has been waiting for, the device springs to life, a beacon of progress in the stillness of the test site. A triumphant cheer erupts. The device works flawlessly, a true testament to Dr. Light's genius. Every story has a twist. An anonymous message threatens to disrupt Dr. Light's progress. As the night deepens, a chilling silence envelops the high-tech laboratory. Suddenly, the tranquility is shattered by the sinister glow of an incoming message on Dr. Light's computer screen. An anonymous sender, a faceless entity, poses a threat to her groundbreaking work. The message, cryptic yet menacing, hints at potential danger lurking in the shadows of her success. Dr. Light's face, usually a beacon of determination, now mirrors the glow of uncertainty. She stares at the screen, her mind racing, attempting to decipher the hidden meaning behind the ominous words. The laboratory, once a sanctuary of innovation, now feels like a stage set for a suspenseful drama. Yet, amidst the rising tension, a spark of resolve flickers in her eyes. She refuses to be deterred by an unseen adversary. An unexpected hurdle appears, casting a shadow over Dr. Light's victory. But as history shows us, every shadow is caused by a source of light. In the face of adversity, Dr. Light remains hopeful. As the shadows of progress loom, her resolve is unwavering. She steadfastly believes in the power of her device, a beacon of advancement that could alter the course of our world. The anticipation of what lies ahead fuels her determination. She is not deterred by the unexpected challenges or the twists that emerge from the depths of innovation. Instead, she embraces them, knowing that they are the stepping stones on the path to a better future. Dr. Light's journey is not a solitary one. It is a venture that we can all partake in, a mission that we can all support. The potential of her device is not confined to the realms of her high-tech laboratory. It is a potential that can ripple across our world, touching and transforming lives. Join Dr. Light on this journey. Subscribe to the channel, and together, let's unlock the true potential of innovation.